I've been living abroad for a long time now, and it's not always sunshine and rainbows. It's not good all the time, and people think, sometimes on social media, people think, oh, you're always traveling. You have the best life ever and everything. You're always on vacation. How do you afford to go here, to go there? How are you always on vacation? And in my mind, I'm like, always on vacation? Okay. Yeah. I like teaching. How can I make more money teaching? Yeah. I can create my own classes. I can create my own content. I just have to find a platform to sell that content on. And then, traveling. I'm obsessed with travel. That's all I do. It's all I think about. It's all I do. All my life, that's all I want to do is travel. Yeah. How can I make money off travel? I can either become a travel show host. Yeah! Oh, did you make that? That's awesome.
That's what I'm planning to tell you.
Did you make that?
Yeah. Actually, it's handmade. My mom did that actually for me.
That's so cool. I have a channel.
Yeah.
I have a channel.
Awesome, just like me.
Yeah, we should follow each other. Here, type your channel here so I can find you.
Yeah. My channel name, it's called Ahmed Al-Bejawi. It's my channel about English conversation. I used to share my conversations along with my friends and tutors on my YouTube channel to show other people like my progress in English.
Okay.
Let me send you my.
So if send me the link. That would be easier.
The link. So I'm gonna send you my channel name, and then after this session, because I'm using my cell phone right now. Yeah, here we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Found you. Wow, you have 13.9 subscribers.
I'm famous.
Hey, that's what it looks like.
No, it's a small channel actually.
Yeah, you're doing great. I only have 480, I think. I only have 4 videos. I just started, and in my mind, I was thinking, oh, YouTube is the perfect platform for me to share my travel experiences and kind of have my own travel show.
Yeah.
So that's my goal. I need to learn how to edit because it's been expensive trying to find videographers to edit for me.
Yeah.
I don't have I'm filming everything myself. I'm traveling alone, so I have a good camera, but I'm still learning how to film without having, shaky video and having I finally got a nice microphone so I can have good audio, and maybe I need to stop worrying so much about making things perfect, and I need to just dive right in and just see what happens and just start posting stuff. Because right now,
so one day this is a good advice for you as a YouTuber. One day I was watching a YouTube video, and the YouTuber was trying to tell his audience, like, if you open your camera and focus on the lens, you have to be yourself as as normal. You don't have to be like another person, okay? Like your face expressions, features, just like your own your just like be on yourself. So wherever you whenever you open the camera, like try to speak just like when you speak as your daily basis. On your daily basis. Yeah.
That's what people want. Nobody wants to watch someone that's fake. People want to connect with the talent. Like,
Yeah.
if you're vlogging, you have to be yourself, because the number one thing you want to do, you want to connect with your audience, and you want to
Yeah.
build a sense of community.
Yeah.
You know, it's the same thing with any kind of social media. You know, you don't want to act or say anything different than what you are. What's the point in that? You know?
Yeah, you
silly.
know, the
Like,
YouTube, yeah, the YouTubers, it's a little bit like different from the movies, because you you carry your cell phone or your camera and start like filming yourself and speaking like to your audience through your camera. So the people feel like in another way. Unlike the movies, like they feel
yeah.
like she speaks directly with us. She guides us for something, or teaching us something today. So that's the difference between like the YouTuber and the movies.
Yeah, definitely. And I would rather be real and be raw with
Yeah,
people, and just and tell them, you know, the good and the bad things about life. You know, I've been living abroad for a long time now, and it's not always sunshine and rainbows. It's not good all the time, and people think, you know, sometimes on social media, people think, oh, you're always traveling. You have the best life ever and everything. You're always on vacation. How do you afford to go here, to go there? How are you always on vacation? And in my mind, I'm like, always on vacation? Like, I work like 45 hours a week. I only have Saturday and Sunday are my only 2 days that I can adventure. And then I'm like in front of my computer all day, every day. But people think I'm on vacation
I'm
all the
enjoying my
time.
life every single hour in the day. I'm
Yeah,
enjoying.
exactly. Which I will say, I am really enjoying my travel life, and it is. I am very blessed that I can travel this way. But
Yeah,
there's a lot of hardships, and there's a lot of challenges, and
yeah,
I have to sacrifice a lot, and I work hard, and I in my mind I just think people have a skewed misconception about how my life is, because what they see on
what they see on
Instagram.
on Instagram. Yeah. By the
Yeah, because
way, by the way,
I don't
I'm
post.
I'm
Yeah.
following you on Instagram, and you followed me back.
Oh, awesome! Yeah,
I saw your fancy pictures. Yeah, and I create that like thoughts like, wow, she's always traveling. Wow, it's amazing. And then when I saw you on Cambly, wow, she's also teaching. So how could she manage that? Like her Instagram page
yeah.
says that she's always traveling, and that's weird. She's on Cambly. Wow.
It is. It's because you know, we like to share the fun, beautiful things that we're doing in life,
Yeah,
but we're
yeah,
not posting, you know, about the bad stuff that's happening. And so on my YouTube channel, that's one thing I really want to do, is show people the good and the bad, the challenges and the
yeah.
struggles of living in distance, and traveling alone, and trying to survive on a teacher's salary. Like, you know, because traveling can be expensive depending on where you
Expensive. Yeah,
live.
yeah,
But there's also a lot of misconceptions about that too, which that's a whole nother topic when you
yeah,
talk about ways to budget travel and live abroad with, if you don't make a lot of money. Because I've traveled to a lot of places where it was easier for me to live in those countries than to live in America, because America, you know, that's a high cost of living when you
yeah,
compare it to places like a lot of Southeast Asia, you know, like Thailand, Vietnam, Laos. Those are very cheap places to live. So I try to show people that side too. You know, people think, oh, I can't travel unless I have a lot of money. And that's not true. Sometimes I save money living in countries outside of America. I'm traveling, but I'm spending less because I don't live in California.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. It means like, yeah, America. It's costly more than these countries that you have visited.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So
but you know, I like and I admire your hard work with the sea and the beaches, and you've got like skills to clean the
oh,
beaches and encourage the people.
yeah,
Yeah, I saw that.
thank
I was,
you.
wow, she's always cleaning the beaches and but you know, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Have you ever found that glasses bottle inside the bottle like a letter, just like just like the romantic movies?
No, that would be really fun though. I would like to, that would be
Yeah.
cool.
Wow.